Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dogepreneur token. Ticker symbol is DOGEP. Now this token just started their pre-sale April 14th, and this pre-sale is going to go all the way until July 14th. They have a white paper, web page, Twitter, Telegram. I saw this token listed on coinsniper.net, and we are going to look for a full audit. We're going to look for a KYC. We're going to see if there's any potential red flags, any issues that could potentially lead to scams or anything like that. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it as well in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it says here, Dogepreneur is a pioneering meme token initiative designed to bridge the world of digital currencies with tangible real estate assets. Through the strategic acquisition and management of rental properties, Dogepreneur aims to generate stable returns for its investors. The project distinguishes itself by offering 70% of the rental income back to the token holders, ensuring an attractive passive income stream in addition to potential capital gains from token value appreciation. So the launch date, it says, is July 15th. So the pre-sale will end July 14th. So it's still a while away before this pre-sale is over. It's a BEP20 token here. How it's split up, it says 25% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 25% project treasury, 10% exchange liquidity, 15% real estate investment, 25% marketing and community engagement. Now, they have here a Twitter that has 15 tweets on it. I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen there at Dogepreneur. On their Twitter, there is a link to their webpage. You can find it there, dogepreneur.io. And 543 followers, 15 tweets so far. And it says, exciting news, we're expanding our horizons and going multi-chain. DOGEP is now on Solana and Binance Smart Chain, aiming to grow our amazing community. Get ready for faster transactions and broader opportunities across the blockchain. Exciting news, Dogepreneur has raised $500,000 on its first day. And we're not stopping there. Our goal post-launch, 100 times increase. Get ready to soar with us. And so they just have lots of these updates here basically on their Twitter. Lots of memes as well. So go check out their Twitter there. On their webpage, you can also find a full white paper. Their white paper is 32 pages long. So on the white paper, they have about Dogepreneur, about the team, market analysis, tokenomics, roadmap, use of funds, and disclaimer. So we went over what it's all about already. It says, Dogepreneur captures the dynamic spirit of meme tokens that have fascinated the cryptocurrency world, rooted in the legendary Dogecoin, the pioneer that bridged the memes with digital currency. Dogepreneur honors the heritage while exploring new frontiers, merging the charm of meme culture and innovation with real-world assets. Dogepreneur forges a distinct path, attracting both enthusiasts and investors in search of fresh opportunities for expansion. The emergence of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies has opened new avenues for investments and wealth generation. So this leverages innovation for investors and crypto enthusiasts. So just tons of basic info on that type of stuff here. Now scroll all the way down here. So it says about the team. Doesn't have their team doxed on here, just talks about them. So right off the bat, we can see that there is no team doxing on here. I have not seen a KYC either. It doesn't say even their names or anything. No pictures, no names, nothing like that. So right away, that's kind of a red flag there. I would say that's a big red flag, actually. No team doxing whatsoever. So they have their investment model on here, growth strategies, financial projection, risk management, tokenomics. We already went over most of this already. And yeah, skip all past that. Their roadmap starts with pre-sale and marketing, official launch on exchanges, real estate investment for daily rental revenue, building a strong ecosystem, tokenizing rental properties, staking and earning passive income, and then looking ahead in the future. The use of funds, initial acquisition and setup, operational expenses, technology development and ecosystem support, revenue distribution, tokenization, staking rewards, and reserve and contingency. Huge disclaimer. So the disclaimer basically says no guarantee of returns, regulatory uncertainty, market volatility, technological risks, real estate risks, project-specific risks, no affiliation with DOGE, and agreement to terms. So yeah, all sorts of risks involved here. So they have frequently asked questions on their webpage, like what is Dogepreneur? How do the investments work? What are the benefits? Is it regulated? And how to get in touch, and they have a contact email there. The bottom of their webpage, Whitepaper, 2 different Telegram groups, Twitter, Medium, Buy Now button, frequently asked questions, contact email. So as I scroll through their page here, they have the pre-sale address, but they don't have the actual token address on their page that I could see. Maybe this is it. Looks like on Coin Sniper they have a contract address. I'm not sure if that's the real one or the pre-sale address though. So that's a Sol address. So it says you can fund your Solflare or Phantom wallet, copy the pre-sale address, and tokens will be airdropped to the Sol contributions. So yeah, they've been seen in CoinMarketCap, Yahoo Finance, Binance, and Bitcoinist. They've raised over $533,000 so far. You just connect your wallet, you buy with BNB on their page there. But I looked through their entire webpage, I looked through their entire white paper and Coin Sniper there, and their Twitter. No audit whatsoever, no KYC whatsoever, none to be found anywhere. There is basically zero security on this pre-sale, so just totally be aware of that. No audit of their Binance Smart Chain token or their Solana token. And yeah, so that could be super sketchy. I mean, incredibly sketchy. I don't see any security on this entire project at all whatsoever. So just totally be aware of that. Very, 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 very high risk. So I'm not a financial advisor though. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.